Hi everyone, if you are a fresher looking for a remote work from home opportunity, this video is for you. Here the company's name is NextWave, which is an edtech startup, and here the profile's name is Business Development Associate, and this is a work from home opportunity. Here the compensation is 3 lakh per annum plus performance based incentives. Now let's check out about the job details. So here are the skills and expertise that the company is looking for this role. For the role of business development associate, so here the company is looking for a lead generation associate with excellent communication skills, and the languages are Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu. So if you are an expert in any of these languages, can you can apply for the job. So here the written and verbal both communication skills are required, interpersonal abilities along with good proficiency in English. Here they are looking for people with a systematic approach to building sales funnels, tracking feedback, prioritizing tasks, and consistently exceeding targets within the deadlines. And the person should have a sales mindset to effectively communicate about high-paying career opportunities to its prospective learners and drive sales qualified leads. The person should be willing to work in a high growth startup environment. So this is about the pre-sales role. So here are the job roles that you can expect while working as a business development associate with NextWave. You will be doing outbound calls and generating sales qualified leads. You need to ask pertinent questions to understand the lead and nudge them forward in the pre-sales process. You need to take responsibility for the entire sales qualification life cycle for your assigned leads, cold calls, follow-ups, lead qualification, and management. You need to maintain a detailed database of all the interactions with the leads and providing constant feedback on the quality of the leads to the respective team. As a business development associate, the person would have weekly and monthly targets. Here is the salary written as I have already mentioned. So here's the salary part. So it is 3 lakh per annum CTC and plus along with performance based incentive. So this is a work from home opportunity which is fully remote and you can work from home or anywhere. And the languages they have asked for native speaker of Telugu, Tamil or Hindi. If you have good proficiency in English, here work location is mentioned. So the working will be 6 days per week, and here they have written that work from home currently and should be flexible to come to the office whenever required. Although the company has mentioned work from home currently and should be flexible to come to the office whenever required, however the company has a history of work from home environment. So you can join the job and continue until they ask you to come to the office. And so this was it about the job details. So if you think that you could be a good fit for the position, you can apply for the job. And here's the application form, and you can fill up the application form attach your resume here, and then provide your name, email ID, mobile number. You can provide links to your social networking sites or social networking webs. Okay, and you can so you need to provide here which is your mother tongue, like if you want to apply for Tamil, Telugu or Hindi, and you need to provide your work experience, education details, and your age, gender, and then currently pursuing any courses or degree, in which language do you possess fluency, and then total years of experience, previous experience, CTC, and then have you worked with NextWave before. Okay, so you can provide it. So this is a simple application form and you can fill up the application form. So this is a great opportunity for people who are a fresher or a housewife or a student. This is a remote work from home opportunity as a business development associate in the field of edtech or in the field of education. So go ahead and check out all the details yourself, and if you think and if you believe that you could be a good fit for the position, apply for the job. And yeah, thank you for listening.